Hey there. So today I'll show you how you can add us as collaborators and also how you can add someone else and give only specific permissions as you would like. So let's jump right into it. This is your workspace where you can see all of your websites and you can search for particular websites by tapping here. But let's say there are two ways you can add someone as collaborator. So one, you can right click over here and you can just click add collaborators. There you go, it will take you there. But also, if you're already on your site's dashboard, there is one way where you can click exactly, so there are two ways. You can go to settings as well, but this is much quicker. You can just click to site actions and you can click on invite collaborators. Now, here, you can type up to 10 emails, so you can just type emails by comma separated emails, or you can, and also you need to select the role, right? So you can either create a custom role or you can have some predefined roles like admin, website manager, website designer. This is where you can control the access. Right? So if you can just create a custom role, let's say someone who is just a designer, right? So can only design the websites, right? So obviously you want to give them access to the studio editor, so they can't edit code, but can they edit content? Yes. Can they edit layout? Maybe yes. Can they edit site structure? Yes. And you don't have to give them access to other things. That's it, right? And then you just click save, and we'll save that particular role for them, and you can assign that role to that person. Usually for us, it's mostly the predefined because when we have to deal with payment integrations and everything, we might need admin access. But most of the time, website manager access is fine to us. So you can just click on invite at wixfreaks.com. You can just click on invite and then you can select a role, let's say admin. Once you do that, you can just send us invites. And you can select we are an agency or freelancer and we'll receive the invitation. Now here you can see all of your site's collaborators as they exist. And you can remove them if you want, and you can change their role as well. How cool is that? So this is how you can manage your site members. So I hope you liked it, and if you have any questions, do let me know. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one.